Hey guys, what's up? Bus Channel here, and today we're going to be unboxing a magazine and what is it called? Well, I'll show you in a minute. So we'll start off with the thing I don't know what it is. Well, I do know what it is, but I don't know how to explain it. Man, this stinks. There we go. Wait, nothing else in here. So, how the F do you open this? Like that. No, it's this way. So, here. There we go. That's how you open it. Oh, that's better. Just farted. Right then, so get that out. Get a couple of photos, he sent me extra as well. So, here we have a Volvo bus cab layout thing, which has helped me a bit with R4, but it's not R4's exact cab. The only bit it's helped me with is what the N button is, which I'll probably just pop a photo in that corner of it. And yeah, it's the cold startup thing, or whatever it is. When it's cold, you push it to start up, which I didn't know about, so I'll try that, see if that helps it. So moving on to the extra photos he sent me. So here we have Yorkshire Traction L265LHE, as you can see. Here's the front, and there's the back. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you. Here's the front, and there's the back. So next we have a Yorkshire Traction again, EVB 386V, which is a Leyland. I think the other one's a right bus, but I'm not too sure what type of right bus. So yeah, this is a Leyland. Not too sure what type of Leyland it is. Yeah, here's the front, and here's the back. I'm not going to put the text in the title anymore, because that takes a bit too long when I'm catching up on editing. When I finish catching up, I might put it back in the title. I haven't decided yet. Next we have East Yorkshire AEC Routemaster 801, also known as WLT 632. Here's the front, and there's the back. Moving on to the last photo, we have 754 Sheffield Transport WWJ754W. Here's the front, and here's the back. So now we're going to unbox this magazine. Oh, there we go. Now I've got one more parcel coming, which is some parts for R5 and maybe R4 as well. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet. It's a little secret until we unbox it. And then your bag of shit open. There we go. Pop that there. Oh, so here we have the Busters magazine. I still haven't unboxed the other ones yet. I've got. So yeah, buses. Not much else to say really. It's got a nice picture of a German I3 on the front, I think it is. And national holidays, Mercedes-Benz Turismo, not Tarago. They're not Spectra, Linux or something. Anything to do with holidays in here, maybe? I'm not saying it's my coach, because that's for holidays originally. I thought I need this for London for sale, then obviously not. Twat. Nice scanning. Where's the for sale page? I'm interested. Does it even have a for sale page, this one? Oh, yeah. Well, maybe not. Nah, no for sale page in this one, guys, but who cares? Still a good magazine. Here's the front. And here's the back. I don't know why it shows it upside down. It's weird, but when I put in the editor, it don't. 24 Buses Festival, 23rd of August. Interesting. British Motor Museum. Looks like the shows are going to start on the 23rd of August 2020, it seems. Wonder if I'm all ready for that. Probably not. So yeah, let's get the thumbnail, boys. Sorry guys, Instagram popped up there. I accidentally clicked on it when I was getting the thumbnail. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. So thank you guys for watching and peace out.